I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your device. With that, let's go. To your Windows machine and get set up. On the bottom right hand side, you'll see the show hidden icon represented by this upper caret. Click on that and then go to Bluetooth devices. Click on Bluetooth devices and then you'll get this window right here. Now the next thing to do is click on add device. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Let's go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And the next thing is to go ahead and select Bluetooth. This will start the search for any Bluetooth devices. Now, while this is going, go to your AirPods and there's a little circle right there. You see that right on the back? You're gonna press and hold that, but let me show you what you need to do. Now flip it over, open up the case. Now press and hold that circle button behind, and now you're gonna see the pulsating white light right there. What ends up happening is it can see a headphone on your Windows machine. Click on headphone, it will connect, and it's gonna say headphone audio. After a few seconds, what ends up happening is it turns into AirPods. Let me show you. Now, what happens is it says AirPods after the fact, but you actually have to take them out of their case in order for that to display correctly. Thanks for watching.